Now we'll go over how to replace the barcode scanner. The first step in replacing any component in the FlashParking Smart Station is to turn off the kiosk. To make the replacement of the scanner easier, it's typically easy to first remove the printer to get at the mounting screws on the underside of the scanner. If you're unsure how to remove the printer, you can see one of our other instructional videos that will show you how. For the scanner, what you'll first want to do is disconnect the scanner cable using a small flathead screwdriver to loosen the screws holding it into place. Once the scanner cable has been removed, use a small Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the two mounting screws on the underside of the scanner. Once you have your new replacement scanner from your FlashCare maintenance kit, you want to position it back on top of the scanner chute and re-secure it using your two small Phillips head screws applied to the underside of the scanner. Once the scanner has been re-secured, using a small flathead screwdriver, reattach the scanner cable and tighten down the securing screws. The last step is to turn your power strip back on and that's how you replace the scanner in your FlashParking Smart Station. If you remove the printer to get to the screws on the underside of the scanner, you can now replace the printer.